Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to find the derivative of polynomial function, and we're gonna begin with the first one. This is the first function, f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2 root x plus pi on 2. So to find the derivative of this, we are just going to apply all the concepts we have applied before. So you can pause the video and attempt it. If you have done that, you're supposed to see the solution. So let us begin. So remember, we know that the derivative of x to the n, is equal to n x to the n minus 1. So this is what we are going to play here. This is just practice problem on it, and we know that the derivative of a constant is equals to 0. The derivative of a constant means c root, any constant, any value, 5, 3, root 2, pi, root 3 on 2, and so on. So we know that all of this. So with this in mind, we are going to find the derivative of the first function. So we are going to write solution 1, our f of x is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2 root x plus 3x squared minus 2 root x plus pi on 2. So what you do is that you just find the derivative of each term. Okay, that is how you do it. So the derivative of f of x, this one if you respect to x dx down here, will be equals to, our n here is 3, so we bring down the 3, we write our x, then we subtract the 3 by 1 plus this one, we allow it, we put in bracket, we bring down the 2, we write our x, we write 2 to the minus 1. This one is our minus. What about root x? Root x means the x to the power a half. Okay, so we'll bring down the half, and then we'll subtract it by 1. That is what we are going to do here. So we'll bring down the half, which the half stands for root x, for the square root. We'll bring down the half, then there is a half up there, then we'll subtract it by 1 plus the derivative of pi onto is a constant plus 0. Okay, so I'm just saying that square root of x is equal to x to the power a half, and the derivative of this is simply bring down the half, we write x to the power a half minus 1. Okay, so that is what we have just written up here. Okay, now with this in mind, we now get our f prime of x, which is equal to the derivative of f of x with respect to x, will be equals to 3x squared, that is 3, x to the power 3 minus 1, x to the power 3 minus 1 is simply 2. So we'll be having 3x squared plus 3 times 2 now. This is 3 times 2, which will be 6. X to the power 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. In math, we just align like that. Or if you like, we put it. Let us also respect math rules now. Okay, and then the next thing is negative 2 times a half. This 2 and this half will simplify. We just left with x. This is a negative sign. Negative x to the power a half minus 1. A half minus 1 is same as a half minus 2 over 2. I can write this one as 2 over 2. Okay, I have not changed anything. Now that they have the same denominators, we subtract the parts. 1 minus 2 on 2, which is negative 1 on 2. So that is that. So we'll get x to the power negative 1 on 2 plus 0 for pi on 2. So we just align like that. So this is our solution. Did you have it like that? Yeah, you got it. Good. Okay, now let us move to the second example. In the second example, we have been given that f of x equals to 3x to the power 5 on 4 plus 2 on x cubed. Voila, I've just copied and pasted it in here. So to find out this, the drive f prime of x of this will now be seen. We'll bring down our power still. 5 on 4 comes down. X to the power 5 on 4 minus 1 plus 2. 2 on x cubed is simply 2 x to the negative 3. We can take this 3 up, x to the power 3 up, and it becomes negative. Okay, and if we do that, we'll then bring down our power down here. We'll be bringing negative 3 down, up, left with negative 3 up there, minus 1. Hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm saying that 2 on x cubed is same as 2x to the negative 3, and the derivative of this will be 2 into negative 3 x to the negative 3 minus 1. Okay, we put that minus 4 into 2 comes down x to the power 2 minus 1 plus all of this is a constant. Okay, there is no x in it. That is what we mean it is a constant. All of this will be plus 0. Now to simplify this, let me clean this line. So just to explain the middle term. So we come back here, we simplify, we will now be having our f prime of x to be equals to, nothing can cancel, so 3 times 5 is 15 on 4, x to the power 5 on 4 minus 1 is same as 5 on 4 minus 4 on 4, which will be 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1 on 4, so we'll be having 1 on 4. So I can write 1 on 4, 1 on 4 plus 2 times negative 3 will be negative 6, then x to the negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4, minus 4 times 2, which will be 8, will be 8, x to the power 2 minus 1 is just 1, x to the power 1, like that. So our in general, we have f prime of x to be equal to 15 on 4, x to the 1 quarter minus positive and negative is negative 6x to the negative 4 minus 8x. So this is how to find the derivative of a polynomial function. Simply find the derivative of each term by term. Thanks very much for watching and liking this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to enjoy more good videos from African Center for Excellence. Knowledge should be free, isn't it? Comment on the section below.